Good evening. I thought when I respond now, what did happen now? Yeah, good evening. Oh, but this one maybe say people go do show, people go name a nest of kin. Wow. Now community has all the other pressure now, quite the fair nest of kin joke. This be said now even Buhari nest of kin I even a pity for normally because that guy says go not tire. Buhari no agree die. Now. Even when Buhari be evil, they talk say Buhari go die before. They say go find another Buhari bring come again. Name and Jubri. So now Buhari be your own nest of kin. Yeah. About the show full or the full, M.O.P don't try for himself. Probably I say M.O.P don't successful. Yeah. See lights all they shine everywhere. Probably I say don't reach the end of the tunnel. That joke supposed to be intelligent joke. They tell me say go walk here. You know say Lagos now they do intelligent joke now. Person will crack joke for now to laugh. Now I say, that was deep. He's a smart comedian. He will go far. That's why I go to see one of my guy now. Idiots don't know where I'm gonna go Bini. Bini will be safe. You never thought you go kill pa. Nobody they laugh. They all give the guy a mic. First joke we go crack intelligent joke. He said, but this life not awful. If you observe our music industry now, we don't really get female rappers. Because you know if they do two things at the same time. How you go to the studio, they drop flows, consider your menstrual flow. Now then the guy with the spell laugh now. Now person will buy it and say, how far? If you don't crack the real joke, your own blood will flow here. Bini now you want to play. This life, I tell you also, man, they work hard though. But you never can tell. A cappella now will join us from NextNaijaComedyStar. They now they follow the drag platform now. Not they surprised, even when I feel the backstage now, they wait for a turn. And so the life will be. Are you called Lagos? Which I don't notice for this Lagos now, be saying. Real estate company where they Lagos, people who they say house, they many past citizen. Everybody here they say house for the Lagos. And but the way they do that advert, very captivating advert. As you come on your face, you feel achiever. They'll convince you, they don't put many people for trouble. And they pass Lekki the other day, I just see advert. Become a landlord in Lekki. You need to be Lekki. Become a landlord in Lekki with just 5,000 naira. Just like that. Now you tell my guy, so well, see sweet deal. As we say, man, read the down. Now see, I pay the remaining 2 billion in 2 days. Or go to jail. Many people dey jail now. Yeah. So, like, recently they do some kind of research. I can't find out say, man, you get some kind of country where they say they call the Scandinavian countries. They know they see night. They don't get night. 12 a.m. Everywhere see the sun see the shine. Example, Iceland. And I'm going to go and say Iceland is the most peaceful country in the world. They know they fight war, they never get soldiers. No sexism, no corruption, they know they live life. Similar country again like that and Norway. They know they see night. Norway is one of the richest countries in the world. Check where. Don't on me say our problem for this country. Don't be Buhari. Our problem don't be the government. We get too much night. Yeah, if you observe all the bad things when they happen at night. Before 6 o'clock now, they don't that. All their shower, you have to park on my side. Sorry, all the sex workers. I shower to the vulgar. Not good for my brand. Yeah, I check Iceland personally. No single shower. Sorry, no single sex worker. Probably I say person don't today used to a shower. I check Iceland. No single sex worker. Because nobody will go stand on that sun. They waste me the career. So the only problem with that country will get now be say that unemployment rate will be very high. Because they don't really give blow job. Intelligent joke. I'm tired for intelligent joke today now. Yeah. Recently, I have confidence in the industry. You get out to the rain now. Sex tape. Everybody already do sex tape now. You also take this trend. Last year, Tiwa released sex tape. People don't believe it of Tiwa. A whole queen. People go this Tiwa, you spread leg. Tiwa. all the boys with there now, all of them get Tiwa Sex Tape for phone. My guy, they come so far, you don't see Tiwa Sex Tape. I said, no, it's here. Sure, but Tiwa spread it. But so Tiwa your issue. Tiwa, people go, they cost Tiwa. They say, how can she stoop so low? A whole queen. As people cost Tiwa, I can't say, I know, now that period, I don't say Nigerians will not feel satisfied Nigerians. People cost Tiwa, some boys see go Tiwa there, put a message Tiwa. Say, I did Tiwa, I don't upload. That video where they upload it too short. Say by yourself, upload the full one, or you can't shame the shameless. They don't feel satisfied boys for this. People this year nobody ever reach us slave, nobody release it. Nobody calls us slave. They call the yellow slave. Say, why they wipe? So you can't do me, sir, because a Tiwa now woman. They call Tiwa because he was slave now man. They call the yellow slave. If Wizkid could mistakenly release his own sex tape, what did they do? No, I know some people won't really see, not joke, because some people won't really see Wizkid sex tape here, but they're not getting the package. But seriously, personally, I feel say very soon for this music industry, though they do collab for sex tape. You see artists we career don't fit there. Yours to your trend. Because I work for Tiwa, I work for Hustling, now they trend now. Yours to your trend, though you release sex tape, feature another artist. You also see person like Iyanya, feature Teni. Like I say, that sex tape go bad though. No, Iyanya sex tape will be very easy, very smooth sex tape. If you observe it, because Iyanya already be talking own sins. If you listen to Iyanya's songs, gift, oh yeah, gift, put off the light. That sex tape they talk about now. So yeah, imagine the sex tape will be from the bed to the bedroom, make some sweet music for jacuzzi. That's sex tape now. So yeah, sex tape will be very smooth. But you see Teni will stress Iyanya. Teni don't even feel release sex tapes. It will be sex album. Because of her sex. And Teni obviously tell her for his song, I want to make love on him, dancing to Matthews. Class 1 useless question. Is it too much? It's too much now. What's happening to you? Thank you very much. That's the time.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.